How to get Chinese Brawl Stars. Now, first thing you want to do is you have to download a third-party application. Now, from your phone, just go directly to Play Store and we'll have to download WeChat. Now, this is gonna be a specific platform in which you will have communication with Chinese players for your Brawl Stars. But if you don't want certain like a forum or a platform for you to be able to communicate with Chinese players and Brawl Stars, you can go directly download the game without any third-party applications in here. So if you just want the game to be downloaded in Chinese, just pull up any browser that you can use from your phone, and all you have to do from the search bar is type in bs.qq.com and hit on enter. Now, since I'm not a Chinese, I don't totally understand what's going on right here. But if you do, you can just definitely have this page here, and there should be a download button from here, which will redirect you to an APK file. So that's it. That's how you download Brawl Stars or get Brawl Stars in Chinese.